interestingly enough, there's been quite a lot of research into self-sabotage because it's a particular popular phenomenon that people experience, especially people that do want to be successful, do want to achieve things in life. So I wouldn't see myself as someone who self-sabotages, but when I think and I reflect on certain goals like exercise, I have. So for example, how I self-sabotage is I would, go to the gym. I would, I know I need to be fit. I might be slim and stuff, but I need to be more fit. I want a flat stomach. Okay. Then I'll go to the gym. And then when I get to the gym, I don't spend enough time in the gym, or I don't actually effectively use the equipment in the gym properly, if that makes sense. Another way could be that, you sign up for a gym membership and then you even sign up with a trainer and then you're late to the trainer, or when you come, you're not in your appropriate attire. That's obviously sabotaging, because it's like, we can't work out if you're wearing suit. You might self-sabotage an interview that you have, right? You don't prepare, you leave everything to the last minute, or you prepare, but then you know that you got to get there for 9, so you should leave there 7:30, but you leave there 8 and then you get there late and then, oh my God, you're not showing up a good impression, etc., etc., etc.